Hi, welcome back to another episode of Amazing Kitchen. Today we're making sous vide steak. So I have a piece of ribeye right here and we're gonna put it into that machine and then we'll cook it for about an hour. Then we'll see how this tastes. Let's season the steak. Just some salt and pepper will do. We pepper both sides. We need some salt. So, got some salt. I always want to try this. Not as good as the master, but yes, this is something I always wanted to try. We'll get a Ziploc bag like this. We'll put our steak in it. We don't need oil, we don't need anything. Then we'll drop it in some water to help get some of the air out of it. So I'll just submerge this until the rim, then I'll just seal it. So you don't need a vacuum bag. You see, most of the air is out. It's sucked tightly to our bag. And this is what we want because once it's in the machine, we want the heat to be distributed evenly so that it'll cook well. Now let's turn on the machine and set our temperature. So I have this set at 125 degrees. And once it's up to temperature, we'll drop this in and set it for about 1 hour. Now we can drop our steak in it. I will use one of these clips to clip the bag so that it will not float to the surface. So in the meantime, we'll make our sauce. For our sauce, we need some onion and some rosemary and some garlic. So our onion, we just slice them into strips. Doesn't have to be perfect because this will get reduced. Now we put our onion aside. Now the onions are there, now let's move to cooking this. Now we need some olive oil. I cut some garlic thinly into slices, and this will be our garlic chip to go with our steak. Alright, now our garlic chips are ready. Now we just fish them out of our oil. All the garlic chips are out. Now we can add our chopped garlic to this. We have our rosemary, then our onion. Then we add some black pepper to this and some salt. Now once the salt is added, the onion will begin to sweat. Now I think the onion is ready for our butter. I cut a nice handsome piece of butter. We'll just add this in, allow it to melt into it and add more flavor to this. Alright, now that's coming together nicely. We have some red wine here and we'll add about half a cup of red wine into this mixture. Now this is looking good. This is gonna add a lot of flavor. So we'll just let the onions soften up some more. So maybe another 10-15 minutes of this. Alright, now let's check on our sauce. Okay, I think the onion is looking beautiful. It has reduced a lot and is liquid. Now we can turn off the heat, put a cap and wait for our steak. Then we try this out. Alright, we're back. Now our steak is ready. I've taken it out of our sous vide machine. So now we need to sear it on both sides and come back and taste this. So by the way, this sous vide machine was donated or given by Bryna and Jungming. So thanks to them that we have steak today. Let's sear this and we'll be right back. We sear our steak on both sides. Now we let it sit just so, for about 2 minutes, then we flip it and we can remove it. Look at that. Look at the beautiful browning of this. That's why I say don't move it. Just let it sit on one spot. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes and we'll have this beauty. So we'll do this to the other side for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then we can remove it and rest it on our plate for about 5 to 10 minutes before we cut this. Alright, now we're back. Our steak is looking beautiful. It's seared beautifully. I have my sauce on the side, so I'll cut this steak and give this a try without the sauce. Now let's see how this looks. Remember, we're looking for medium rare. Oh yes, this is just right, as you can see. Now let's give this a try and see how the flavor of this is. Wow, I think it's just right the way it is. Some salt, some pepper, doesn't need anything else. Let's pour our sauce over this and give this another try. Right, now we got this caramelized onion in a butter sauce. This is beautiful and it looks tasty. Adds even more flavor to this. The wine reduced in the butter. A caramelized onion. Wow. Let me have another piece. I mean, this is so good. Let's get some of that onion. Some rosemary. Let's try this again. Very, very good. The sous vide steak is very tender and moist. Next time we'll compare pan frying it or grill against the sous vide, and then we'll see how this fare, which method is better. But so far this one is very nice and moist. Oh, I forgot my my garlic chips. I'm supposed to serve this garlic chip together with our steak. Now we'll get this and our garlic chip. Nice and crunchy. It's a match made in heaven. Alright. If you like what you see today, remember to subscribe, hit the logo above, and if you have subscribed, make sure you hit the bell button to be notified when our next video is out. So if you have any suggestion, make sure you comment below and let us know what you'd like to see on the show. Until next time, bye now.